Wow, what devastation! These trees are the victims of ravenous leafcutter ants. Leafcutter ants can consume up to 15 to 20% of all fresh vegetation in an area. It takes only 24 hours for some species of leafcutter ants to defoliate an entire tree. Millions of leafcutter ants in South and Central America, Mexico, and the southern U.S. strip trees of their leaves to provide food for their gigantic ant colonies. In this video, you will see leafcutter ants from 4 countries: Belize, Panama, Ecuador, and Trinidad and Tobago. With their sharp mandibles, leafcutter ants cut the leaves into pieces they can carry. Even though the pieces may be more than 3 times their weight, the ants carry them down trees, across bumpy terrain, over streams to their nests. Their nest may be as far as 1/4 mile away. Notice the smaller ants called minimas riding on the leaves to protect the workers from parasitizing flies. Leafcutter ants choose the easiest, most efficient path. Here you can see how they move on an established trail. Here they travel on a fallen tree to avoid roots, branches, leaves, and other obstacles they might find on the uneven ground. Here they are crossing a river by going on the underside of a bridge. They know where to go by following a scent or pheromone trail laid down by previous ants. These ants are streaming into and out of one of the many entrances to their huge nest. A nest can contain up to 8 million ants. Nests have thousands of chambers. Some are brood chambers, many are used for growing fungus. Leafcutter ants do not eat the leaves. They bring leaves to feed fungus that the ants and their larvae eat. The ants working in the fungus garden are covered with bacteria called streptomyces, which produce antibiotics that keep the fungal garden healthy and free of invading microorganisms. When the queen establishes a colony, she brings the starter fungi and bacteria with her. We think we are very clever because we developed antibiotics about 70 years ago, but ants have been using them for millions of years. We are watching older worker ants remove waste from the nest and drop it on ever-growing waste heaps. As you can see, to cut, transport, and prepare the leaves is an industrial-sized undertaking and requires sophisticated organization. After humans, leafcutter ants are the most complex animal society.